Hello, today we're going to be discussing section 6.6, which is on discounts and markups. As you can see here underneath our key idea, a discount is the decrease in the original price of an item. A store might sell an item for a certain price, but then because of a discount, you actually pay less than that original price. On the other hand, a markup, as we can see here, is when a store will purchase something and then sell it for an amount that is greater than they bought it for. For example, a store might buy something for $15, but then sell it for $20. They do this in order to earn a profit or in order to make money. In example 1 below, we have the original price of a pair of shorts costing us $35. However, the shorts are on sale and we want to know what this sale price is. From the picture, we can see that the shorts are 25% off their original price. So instead of paying $35, we're going to take away 25% of this price. So we are going to pay $35 minus 25%. However, since our units don't match, we can't complete the subtraction. In previous lessons, we've discussed that we can't subtract percent from dollars. We can only subtract if we have dollars subtracting from dollars. So what I need to do is figure out how much is this 25% in dollars. Once I figure that out, then I can go ahead and complete the subtraction. So my first step here is to go ahead and figure out what is 25% of the price of the shorts, which would be $35. You may either do this using a proportion or an equation. I'll go ahead and use an equation. What represents my variable is means equals. 25% means over 100, of means multiply, and $35. From here we can pull up a calculator to help us with these mathematical operations. First thing I'm going to do is figure out what is 25 divided by 100. You might not need a calculator for this, but in case you do, 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. So I've got x is equal to 0.25, and I still have times 35. So I pull up my calculator to finish that math. 0.25 times 35. I get 8.75. So here my x is equal to 8.75. And what that means is that the 25% that we had before, this 25% here, is actually $8.75. Now that we've found that, we can go ahead and find the actual amount of the shorts after the discount. So the amount we are going to pay is going to equal the original $35, take away that $8.75. Again, we can go ahead and use a calculator to help us with the subtraction, or you're welcome to do it by hand. I've got $35. I'm subtracting $8.75, so 8.75, and I get a total of $26.25. So my final answer is that the shorts cost $26.25. In On Your Own number 1 below, I'll go ahead and lead you guys through this one before I ask you to do it on your own. We have the original price of a skateboard costing us $50. However, the sale price includes a 20% discount. What is the sale price? So again, the amount you normally pay for this skateboard is going to be $50. However, this word discount means that the skateboard's actually on sale for less money. So we're going to take our $50 and subtract 20%. As we said before, we can't subtract percent from dollars since our units don't match. So I'm going to take this percent and I'm going to figure out what is 20% of that $50. So my first question is going to be, what is 20% of $50? Once I find this amount, I will have how many dollars we would be taking away. So again, I can do this either as an equation or a proportion. We did the last question as an equation. So just to make sure that we're practicing all of our options, I'm going to do this as a proportion. You're welcome to do it as an equation like I did before. On the left, I'll have is over of. My question says what is, so I don't know the what. Of is $50 equals my percent, which is 20 over 100. You may cross multiply, or you can make the bottoms the same. Here I'm going to go ahead and just divide by 2 in the top and the bottom. I get x over 50 is equal to 10 over 50. Since the denominators are the same, that means that the tops have to be the same as well. So x must equal 10. In other words, instead of taking away 20%, I'm actually going to be taking away $10. 20% of that $50 is $10. So the amount that I'm going to pay is going to be the original $50 take away $10, leaving me with the total amount that I pay is $40 for the skateboard. Go ahead and pause the video for a few minutes and try these next 4 on your own. When you're ready, go ahead and resume the video to check your answers. If you're ready, go ahead and check your answers with what I have on the screen. Feel free to pause the video and take as much time as you'd need to check these answers. That's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.